So we got that field behind the John Deere house done. We're moved over here north of Gainesville. I'm grain carting, Dad's in the combine. Jake came today, so him and Meat Bar in the other grain cart, and Dad's opened up this field, so let's go take a look. So we're back at it again, cutting here. Not cutting, picking corn here. And we got us a little problem. We got started about 25 minutes ago and it's starting to look a little bit dark. There's the north. We need a rain. We don't want a rain, but we need one. It's getting a little bit dry. Meatball on the cart, 8310. I'm cutting. Not cutting still. Picking. It's almost like I'm doing it on purpose, but I'm not. I'm so used to saying cutting wheat, but we're not cutting anything. Picking corn. And rain starting to build up in the northwest. I think we got about 30 minutes of cutting. Picking. I'll get it down one of these days. We got about 40 minutes of picking left till we get rained out, and it's frustrating. We got our groove going finally. We're gonna have a good day today. We got a lot of corn in front of us. 100-acre field here, another 160-acre field in Gainesville. But getting rained out sometimes. That looks like it's gonna happen now. So that's what's up. So that's what we're up against. We are right here, that blue dot, and this is our future. So, not looking too pretty right now for corn harvest continuing. Looks like it's going to be a pretty big rain, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches. We'll take it, but not the time. We're just getting going, but oh well. A rain's a rain. It's not like we're combining wheat that's going to sprout it out. We're just picking corn. So, it is what it is. We like to combine, but we'll take a rain. So the rain's coming in. Just started sprinkling, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a day, I guess. Depending on how much it rains. This car don't got a tarp on it, so we're gonna go do something with it. And I'm just gonna hightail it back to their end and call it a day, I guess. So, I don't know if you can hear me, it's getting a little bit windy out here. Sprinkling. We don't know if it's gonna rain yet or not, so we're just gonna wait it out for a while. We got the tarpless grain cart backed in to the barn. We got the combine with all the shields off of it. It's starting to come down a little bit harder now. Yeah, I think we're probably done for the day. John's got the tarped grain cart. About to have it tarped, and then he's filling it up over there. So that's kind of what we're up against. It's raining. Pat's shredding grass over there around the entrance, and me and Meatball are gonna go move a pickup, so that's what we got going right now. So I guess this is a pretty good sign to show us that we're done for the day. Coming out pretty good now. No, you can't tell at the window, but you probably hear it hitting the ground. It's coming out pretty good. We tarped up the cart after a near catastrophic event, and the trucks are tarped. The grain cart's back in the barn, so we're gonna be done for the day. Probably start up again Monday. So, update, still raining. I don't even know if we'll be able to cut next week. Just kidding, not cutting anything. I don't know if we'll get to pick next week. We'll probably be able to maybe Monday, Tuesday. If it quits raining now, we could go tomorrow probably, but then it's not gonna quit, so we're pretty much rained out for today and probably tomorrow, maybe Monday, I don't know. We'll see.